Good morning students. Today we are going to see about writing junction. Okay. First of all, I will say you some of the clues. You have to find out what is the object is. Okay. First one, a card used for sending a messages by post. Second one, it is without an envelope. It can be sent without an envelope. Third one, it has a picture on one side. Can you guess what is the thing is? Again I am repeating, a card used for sending a message by post. It is without an envelope and it has a picture on one side. What is this? So it is a postcard. Okay. Have you seen the postcard? Okay. Today we are going to see how to write in a postcard. What are the methods you have to follow while writing a postcard? Okay. Okay. What is a postcard? A postcard is a card used for sending a messages by post. Okay, it can be sent without an envelope. What is an envelope? Envelope means the outer cover. Without the outer cover we can send it. Okay, and it has a picture on one side. So it has a picture on one side. On another side only we can write the letter. Okay, postcard na enna adu vandu or card adla vandu nama vandu message எழுதலாம். அது வந்து எது மூலமா சென்ட் பண்ணலாம்? போஸ்ட் மூலமா வந்து சென்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். சரியா? இது வந்து envelope இல்லாமலே சென்ட் பண்ணலாம். envelopeனா வந்து என்னது? அவுட்டர் கவர். அவுட்டர் கவர் இல்லாமலே அந்த இதை நம்ம வந்து சென்ட் பண்ணலாம். திரும்ப அந்த போஸ்ட் கார்டில் வந்து ஒரு சைடில் வந்து பிக்சர் வந்து இருக்கும். சரியா? ஒன் சைடில் பிக்சர் வந்து இருக்கும். அனதர் சைடில் தான் நம்ம வந்து என்ன எழுதணும்? நம்ம மெசேஜஸை வந்து எழுதுறோம். ஓகே. Next, so here Mohit and Sweta, they both are friends. Okay, now Sweta, she is in Andaman Island, so she write a messages to Mohit. So this is a letter what she has written. Okay, so only they are telling Mohit received a postcard from his friend Sweta. Sweta and Mohit, they both are friends. So Mohit, he received a postcard from his friend Sweta because she is in Andaman Island, so she write a messages to his friend Mohit. Mithun, Mohit's younger brother was puzzled when he see it. So Mithun, he does not know what is a postcard. So he asked his brother, so what is this? So they both had a conversation with one another. Okay, we can see the conversation later. First we can see the postcard, how you have to write in the postcard. Okay, here is Sweta and Mohit, both are friends. So they are writing a letter. Sweta, she is writing a letter to his friend Mohit. Okay, so this is a letter. So this is the other side of the postcard. In the postcard, first side what I have said, first we will have a picture or photograph, etc. On another side only we can write like this. Okay, first you have to write a from address. You have to write a from address, and here you have to write a to address. So I have to write a to address, and here you have to write a from address. So to whom? From address means your address. Okay, that is Hotel Coral, Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Sweta, she is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So next you have to put the date. 10th February 2019. You have to put the date. Here you have to write a from address. Okay, that is your address. And here you have to write a to address, to whom you are sending the letter. So their address you have to write. To whom Sweta is sending? To Mohit. So Mohit, you have to write the name. Next their address. E1 Defense Colony, New Delhi. You have to write a to address here, and at last you have to write a pin code. A pin code, it consists of 6 box. So you have to fill it correctly, the pin code. Then here you have to paste the stamp. So this is the format of the postcard. Here you have to write a from address, and there you have to write a to address. Okay, so to address, then you have to paste the stamp here, and you have to write the pin code. The pin code is very important. Okay, let's start. So this is a from address, Hotel Coral, Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the date you have to mention the date also, 10th February 2019. So to whom she is writing? To Mohit she is writing. So I have to put a dear Mohit. Your friend name you have to mention here, your friend names. Okay, dear Mohit, how are you? I am in Andaman Islands now. Okay, where now? Sweta, she is in Andaman Islands. So she is saying, I am in the Andaman Island now. I am sending you this post from Port Blair. the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Port Blair, it's a capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? It is the Port Blair. Port Blair, it's the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and also it is a city in India. So she is in Port Blair. It is a city in India, and also it's a capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You can see the picture of the capital city on the other side of the postcard. I have already told that on the other side of the postcard there is a picture. So in this postcard also they are having the picture of the Port Blair. What is the Port Blair? It's the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So only she is saying you can see the picture of the capital city on the other side of the postcard. That is they are having the picture of the Port Blair. Today we spend the whole day snorkeling. Okay, what is snorkeling? Snorkeling means the activity of swimming. Okay, the activity of swimming is known as snorkeling. In the deep water you can't able to swim, so that they are having a tube which has to be held in the mouth for breathing. Okay, so snorkeling means it's the activity of swimming. It was so exciting. Exciting means enjoyment, happiness, like that. It was so exciting. We went underwater. So where they went underwater. So I saw many underwater plants. In deep sea, in deep water we will have many plants and animals. So Sweta has shown this. I saw many underwater plants and animals. So she saw underwater plants and animals. It was the best adventurous I have ever had. So it is one of the best adventures. Till now I did not see like this. Like that Sweta is mentioning. You must try it too. So she is saying, Mohit, you have to try it too. You must try it too, like that. Sweta is telling to Mohit. We are going to have some yummy local foods now. So now Sweta is going to eat now. So she is having a yummy local foods now. So see you soon. At last she is mentioning see you soon. Okay. Then you have to write your name. Love Sweta. You have to mention your name. Here you have to write your friend names, and you have to here you have to mention your name. Okay. Once again I am reading. You have to write a from address here, and you have to write a date and year to whom you are writing. That is your friend. Friend name you have to write. To whom you have to write. You have to write you have to write that name. So the body of the letter is this. How are you? I am in the Andaman Island now. I am sending you this post from Port Blair, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. What's the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? It is a Port Blair, and it's also a city in India. You can see the picture of the capital city on the other side of the postcard. On another side of the postcard there is a picture. It is a Port Blair. So there is a Port Blair picture. Today we spend a whole day snorkeling. What is snorkeling? Snorkeling means the activity of swimming. Okay, so it was so exciting. Exciting means enjoyment. Okay, we went underwater. I saw many underwater plants and animals. So in the underwater, what does she sees? She sees many plants and animals. So it was the best adventurous I ever had. So it is one of the best adventurous. So I did not see like this before. So this is the best adventurous, like that Sweta is telling. You must try it too. So Sweta is telling Mohit, you have to try it too. Then next we are going to have some yummy local foods now. So Sweta, she is going to eat now. So she is having a yummy local foods. So last he is saying see you soon. Okay, last she is mentioning see you soon, and this is an exclamatory mark. Okay, this is an exclamatory mark, and here we have to write your name. Love is Sweta. So Sweta, she is writing a letter. So you have to write your name. Then here you have to write the to address to whom you are sending the letter. So to whom Sweta is sending the letter to? Mohit, she is sending a letter. Mohit, E1 Defence Colony, New Delhi. And here you have to paste the stamp, and you have to write a pin code correctly. It consists of a 6 box. You have to write it clearly. Students, copy this in your notebook. Now we are going to see a conversation. Already I have told that Mithun, who is Mithun, that is Mohit Endra's brothers, was cousins when we saw him. So Mithun to have a conversation. I am Mithun. I am Mohit. He is my younger brother. Now let's start our conversation. What is this? It is a postcard. A postcard. What is a postcard? Well, it is a card used for sending a message by post. It is shorter than a letter. Who has sent it to you? Sweta sent it to me. She lives next door. Why has she sent a postcard to you? She can just come over and talk to you. She has gone on holiday to the Andaman and Nicobar Island. She has sent a postcard from there. Oh, okay. But why is there a picture on the postcard? That is because postcard have a photograph or picture on one side, and you can write your message on the another side. Postcard can be sent without an envelope. We will also send Sweta a postcard from Goa next week. Yes, sure. I am looking forward to our holidays. Okay, students, have you understand the conversation? Okay, now it's time for the homework. Help Obi write a postcard to Sweta describing his holidays in Goa. So in the conversation, they both are convincing what they are going for the Goa to enjoy their holidays. So now it's time for the Mohi to write a postcard to Sweta. How they are describing his holidays. You have to write in this format. You have to write a from address and you have to mention the date, dear to whom you are writing the letter. You have to mention that. You have to write a body of the letter describing his holidays in Goa, and here you have to write your name, love, and you have to write your name, and then you have to write a to address to whom you are sending. So to Sweta you are sending, so you have to write a Sweta and you have to mention the address, okay, and you have to write the pin code which consists of 6 numbers. You have to write it correctly, and here you have to paste the stamps, okay, like this format you have to write to describing his holidays in Goa. I hope you understand the writing junction, how you have to write a postcard. Thank you.